Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to be making some Italian cream pancakes, and I am going to cook them on my Blackstone griddle just because I can cook a whole bunch of pancakes at once instead of in here just cooking 2 or 3 at a time. And I'm going to be using my cream cheese syrup that I made in the previous video. I will link it at the end of this video and in the description below so you can check it out. So in my bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. Now we're just going to whisk all of that together really good. Now the ingredients and directions will be in the description box below. Alright, in this bowl I have 2 large egg yolks. And in another bowl I have the whites from the egg yolks in another bowl to use here in just a minute. Now to that I'm going to add 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to whisk this all together really good. Now back to our dry ingredients. We're going to slowly incorporate our wet ingredients into our dry and mixing just until everything's mixed together. Now this is something that I don't fix for my family all the time, but with the holidays coming up and stuff, you know, it's just a good little special treat. This is what I call extravagant to have, especially on Christmas morning. Get up and make a batch of these. This is where you would need to add your coconut and your chopped pecans, but I am the only one in the house that will eat coconut and pecans. Nobody else will. So I'm going to add mine separate when I'm out on the griddle. So you would actually add 2/3 cup of very finely chopped toasted pecans and a 1/2 cup of the sweetened flaked coconut. I'm just going to beat my egg whites to stiff peaks for them. Now we're just going to fold our egg whites into the rest of the batter. And the fold, you just go down in the center, turn over, turn your bowl, and repeat. Now I have Alex and Ricky are already out on the griddle using just a part of it to cook the bacon and the sausage. So I will meet you out there to cook the pancakes. Now these pancakes, if you want to go ahead and make them, you can preheat your oven to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and once you get them made, just stack them in your oven and they can keep warm for up to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll meet you outside at the griddle. Okay, on this half of the griddle over here, that's where I'm cooking my pancakes. Some of the bacon, fat and all, kind of got that way. I just took paper towels and wiped them off. And my griddle's been on medium heat. So just take whatever size pancakes you want to make. And it'll take about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, maybe up to 4 minutes. See, I'm adding me some chopped pecans to mine. I'm going to stir it up and then add mine. Now I like little pancakes, like silver dollar pancake size. This one over here, these are ready to turn. I can probably, oh, that side of the griddle wasn't turned down yet. Look how fluffy these are. Okay, that can go just about another minute. So see, I was able to cook them all on the griddle at one time. So I will meet you inside and we will try them out with my cream cheese syrup. That is so good. It's delicious. Okay, my pancakes are ready. And I have my cream cheese syrup poured over them. Topped them with some extra pecans. Now it's time to try them. This is so good. Very rich and decadent. And something perfect to have for Christmas morning or anytime. So the other video for my cream cheese syrup should be popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.